Hi, my name is ZEAHLOT Lopez, and I'm a licensed and marriage family therapist. I think it's definitely important for there to be a great connection between client and therapist. And to do so, transparency is important. So today I'm going to share with you a bit about why I became a therapist, what it is that sets me apart from other colleagues in my field, and a fun fact about me. Frequently, I get asked, why did you become a therapist? And the best answer I can think of is about 10 years ago, my first love of my life, my first career was a cosmetologist. I went to beauty school when I was pretty young, and I fell in love with the career. And I found that as I was working in the shop, as I was doing people's hair and makeup, I really loved talking to people and in getting to know who they were and what their dreams and their aspirations and their wounds were. I felt connected with them. And it was there that I realized I needed to be a therapist. I needed to talk with people, and I needed to just get in there and connect with them. What makes me different from other therapists is I am fascinated by what's different from every one of us. And I think personally, what I think is different is my background, my upbringing, and just my life experience, because we can't negate that as human beings. As a female, as a Latina, as a first-generation American, I have learned that it's definitely important to be independent, but also know what it is you want. I know how important it is to provide services as well as psychoeducation to the community in order to help the children and have them have a better future. I am Spanish speaking, and I love working with Latinos. It is amazing because it reminds me of how important it's needed in the community. When people first come to me for services, I definitely am transparent and say, hey, listen, I myself have had challenges within my life, and I've had a therapist or two. I am a big believer that I will not recommend something to a client that I myself have not tried. And in doing so, that transparency helps us connect. Fun fact about me, my absolute favorite fruit is the prickly pear. And for some of you that don't know what that is, it's the fruit that grows on the cactus. And I think that definitely stems from childhood inside me as a Mexican little girl. And what I absolutely love about the fruit is that it's definitely a struggle to get it open and eat. But that's what makes it so much more valuable. Since it grows on the cactus, you have to take the fruit off with gloves so you don't prick yourself, but also use something very delicate to open it, not to ruin the fruit, but also not to get pricked. But once you get that fruit and you taste it, it's so much more worth it. And it's definitely a symbolism of how life is. Those things that are worth it take time and dedication. Now that you know a bit about me, I would love to get to know you. So if you'd like to further connect, or if you'd like a free consultation, or just have any questions, please feel free to contact me. The information will be right after this, and thanks for watching.